For beginners, ease of use can make or break your website building experience. This means simple processes, quick setup wizards, and dashboards that don't overwhelm you with confusing technical options. I evaluated each host across 5 key areas: signup experience, setup process, setup time, pricing transparency, and interface modernness. Let's see how each one performed. Most hosts made signing up fairly straightforward, but the devil's in the details. Namecheap, Hostinger, and Cloudways all excel here with transparent pricing displayed up front and 0 pushy upsells. Cloudways even offers a clean sign-up with a 3-day free trial that doesn't require a credit card. DreamHost keeps things simple too, though you have to scroll down on the landing page to see all the pricing options. SiteGround is smooth overall, but gets moderately aggressive with upsells during the process. Now, setup is where timing really matters. Namecheap blazed through setup in just 1 minute and 26 seconds with crystal clear steps. Hostinger took 2 minutes 56 seconds with clear, simple guidance throughout. SiteGround needed 4 minutes 19 seconds, slowed by upsell pop-ups. Cloudways took 16 minutes 20 seconds because you're configuring a cloud server rather than just activating shared hosting. And DreamHost was catastrophically slow at 4 hours 57 minutes due to their manual account approval process. SiteGround shines with their modern site tools dashboard that puts everything in one clean interface. Hostinger uses custom H-panel designed specifically for beginners. Namecheap keeps things simple with one-click features for backup and SSL certificates. Cloudways delivers a modern, clean interface for managing cloud servers. DreamHost has a clean, custom dashboard once you're approved. After weighing setup times, user experience, quality, and overall ease for beginners, here are the top 3. In first place, Hostinger. They have the best overall experience with transparent pricing and beginner-friendly design. Second, we have Namecheap, with the fastest setup, clearest process, and 0 aggressive upsells. Third, we have Cloudways, a modern interface with powerful cloud features, though setup does take longer.